What's going on YouTube? Your boy Black Prince the Barber. Before I do this tutorial, I just want to let you know I never did a tutorial as of doing eyebrows. But with further ado, we're just going to get into it. First of all, I want to introduce my wife, you know what I'm saying? She volunteered for me to do a tutorial. So we're just going to get into it. Let's go. Alright YouTube, after I sanitize my wife's eyebrows with alcohol, I go back and I brush her eyebrows like kind of in an upward position because I don't want to just brush them sideways because I can't see what I'm lining up. And I always be careful because you don't know if the clippers or trims are going to be too sharp, and remember to always take your time because you know what I'm saying, by this being a tutorial, I just want to take my time and show you guys step by step. And another thing, after you line up the eyebrows, remember to always brush them back up so you know what I'm saying, you can know what to go back over. Because you know what I'm saying, you need to go back over it more than only just once. Now if that one time look like it's done, remember to always brush the eyebrows back up and go back over it as if you are starting back over. And guys, you always want to make sure everything is neat, you know what I'm saying? Always take your time, go back over it, you know what I'm saying? Just be repetitive with your work. See guys, I just want to show you that it really don't take much, you know what I'm saying? The only thing you got to do is just take your time and you know what I'm saying, it will gradually come. And you see how I'm actually brushing the eyebrows up and the edge up or the line up is still there? That's what I want, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to actually just get all the little hairs that I can find, actually get. And then I go at the bottom, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just actually using the corner of my trimmers because I don't really want to use the whole blade. And as you notice, I'm kind of like curving along with the corner, you know what I'm saying, so I can have that defined line. And it really don't take much, but you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna see how the final results look. Now, anytime you use a straight razor, remember to always stretch the skin because, you will have more room to, edge up or line up. But remember to always take your time and always stop at the top of the lineup, when you're edging someone up. But I just want to show you guys, I cut hair, but I just wanted to just try something different because, this is my first time actually doing this type of work on YouTube. So, 2025, time to change things up.
The light inside.
Babe, look at your eyebrows. You messing with your hair.
Yeah, I'm messing with it. Okay, good job.
Good job. This was up. Can I see him?
No, I'm talking about.
Put my eyebrows on. Look, hold on.